Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable the Google Assistant on an Android phone. If you're just using an Android phone and now you want to enable your Google Assistant, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Google app in your phone, and here you just have to tap on your profile in the top right corner. Just tap on it, then select settings here, and here you will get the Google Assistant option. Just tap on it. In Google Assistant, you will get the voice match option. But first, you have to scroll down and to look for your set Google Assistant, which is a digital assistant from Google. Just tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you have selected Google Assistant. And after that, just go back, go to top one, and here's the voice match. Just tap on it, and here's the Hey Google setting. You just have to enable it, and after that, you have to match your voice here. You just have to tap on I agree, and here you have to reach or recognize your voice. After that, tap on more, and then I agree, and here you have to read this one, which is he said, and he said, say hey Google, help me write a thank you note. You just have to read this one, and after that your Google Assistant will be enabled. You have to complete the process here. Here's the second one is, now say hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And after that, just here the third, which is okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Just read it. Now wait for the next one. Here's okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now wait for the next one, and here you can see it has been completed. Now tap on next, and your Google Assistant is ready. So that's how you can easily enable the Google Assistant on an Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.